Welcome to CJsocks Factory, a professional socks manufacturer. We are located in socks capital of China, Jiuzhi City. CJsocks Company established in 2002, working with 500 global brands. Specialized in manufacturing and selling various socks, such as men's socks and women's socks, sports socks, boat socks, baby socks and children's socks, riding socks, ski socks, toe socks, yoga socks and tights, pantyhoses, leggings, moreover. What we can do for you. We provide OEM services to customers around the world. Have own material factory, offer competitive price integrated producing line with mature technology. Daily output 150,000 pairs. Meet the various needs of customers. Professional at 84N, 120N, 144N, 168N, 200N machines. No need to find other packaging factories. We can provide you with custom packaging private label services for socks, including labels, tags, cartons. Have professional designers if you only have an idea. We ship your orders by DHL, UPS, air, train, or by sea depending on your need. We take over the entire process including custom clearance, taxes,